Good morning, students. I hope you are well at your home. Today, we discussed about the sectors of the Indian economy chapter. In this chapter, our topic is how to protect workers in unorganized sector. We discussed about the organized sector and unorganized sectors in our previous classes. So we remind that the what is the difference between organized sector and unorganized sector. So in organized sectors covers those enterprises or small units or places of work where terms of employment are regular and therefore people have assured work. In organized sector, people have assured work and the employment are regular, and in unorganized sector the jobs are irregular or outside the control of the government. So in unorganized sector, the jobs are outside the control of the government. The second difference is in organized sector follows government rules and regulations like Factory Act, like Industrial Disputes Acts or Minimum Wages Act. But in unorganized sector, government rules and regulations are not followed. So outside of the controls, government rules and regulations are not followed, and in organized sector, the term of employments are regular. People have assured work. रेगुलर है उनकी टर्म्स एंड दे हैव assured work, एक फिक्स वर्क है. बट इन unorganized sector, jobs are low paid, often are not regular workers, can be removed at any time without assigning any reason. Any worker can be removed from his post and from his job without assigning any reason in unorganized sector. It means not job security. And in unorganized sector, people get regular monthly salary. But in unorganized sector, people get daily wages salary. In organized sector, employment get benefits, paid leave benefit like the medical leave and other expenses and pensions and gratuity, etc. But in unorganized sector, there is no provision for other benefits apart from daily wages. And in organized sector, employees work only for a fixed number of working hours, but in unorganized sector is not fixing of the working hours and there is no provision of working hour. So in unorganized sector, we saw that no government rules and regulations. No government rules and regulations, no job security, no paid leave benefits, no assured work, or fixing hours. Working hours are not fixed. So these are the characteristic features of the unorganized sector. Then a question arises in our mind, how, why the unorganized sector need protection, इनको प्रोटेक्शन की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है. इस अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर जो है इसको इसके वर्कर्स जो हैं उनको प्रोटेक्शन की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है? इसके पीछे रीजन है, दे आर, एक तो वेजेस, हाउ टू, उससे पहले वाई टू नीड द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर्स वर्कर्स, द मेन इश्यूज आर वेजेज, main issues are wages. They are treated as bounded labor. They have to work more than 12 hours a day without paid overtime. तो पहला रीजन है कि वेजेज, उनके जो वेजेज हैं वो जितना उनसे काम वेजेस दिया जा रहा है उससे ओवर टाइम उनसे काम लिया जा रहा है, और ओवर टाइम का भी कोई प्रोविज़न नहीं है, एक्स्ट्रा अर्निंग उनकी नहीं है. Second, they get no other allowances apart from daily wages, and there is no job security. They can be asked to leave the job anytime without any reason. Jobs are low paid and they are heavily in debt, so they are forced to accept lower wages. कर्जे में डूबे रहते हैं, इसीलिए उनको मजबूरन वो काम करने पड़ते हैं. सेकेंड इश्यू इज सेफ्टी. फर्स्ट इश्यू इज वेजेज, सेकेंड इश्यू इज सेफ्टी. सिंस दे आर जनरली engaged in many hazardous industries like brick industries, mining industries, cracker industries, etc. So they need protection. उनको सेफ्टी की भी ज़रूरत होती है क्योंकि वो ऐसे वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट में काम करते हैं जहाँ पर उनकी लाइफ को एनी टाइम एक रिस्क रहती है, हैजार्डस इंडस्ट्री में वो काम करते हैं. थर्ड इश्यू इज हेल्थ. As we know, they get low wages, so they are unable to have nutritious food. Consequently, their health status is very weak, so they need protection. So these are the three main issues which are required to protection of workers in unorganized sector. First is wages, very low wages, working hours are not fixed, their job security is no job security, and low wages and working hours are more than 12 hours. Second reason is the safety. Their safety, they need to protection in their working environment are not so good. And third is the health. Their health condition is very low. They have not nutritious food, unable to have nutritious food, and they are in a serious problem for the health. They are not aware about the health conditions, and the employees are not take care for their health, so they need to protection the workers in work in the unorganized sectors. Students, there are two types of worker engaged in unorganized sector. Some workers are lives in the rural areas and some workers are belong to the urban areas. So who are the vulnerable people? Vulnerable people are live in a weaker section of society and their economic condition is very poor. In the rural areas, the unorganized sector mostly comprises of landless agricultural laborers, small and marginal farmers, sharecroppers and artisans such as weavers, blacksmiths, carpenters and goldsmiths, These are the works in the unorganized sector in the rural areas. Marginal workers, landless farmers, blacksmiths, weavers, carpenters, etc. Nearly 80% of rural households in India are in small in marginal farmers category. These farmers need to be supported though adequate facility for timely delivery of seeds, agricultural inputs, credits, storage facilities and marketing outlets. मीन्स रूरल एरियाज़ में जो अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर में वर्क करते हैं वो पीपल हैं लैंडलेस फार्मर्स, स्मॉल फार्मर्स, मार्जिनल फार्मर्स, ब्लैक स्मिथ्स, कारपेंटर्स और आर्टिसंस। तो इनके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए क्या किया जाए? इनके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए डिलीवरी ऑफ जो सीड्स है और एग्रीकल्चरल इनपुट्स है वो टाइमली होनी चाहिए और वो भी लोन प्रोवाइड होना चाहिए लो इंटरेस्ट रेट पर। और इसके अलावा स्टोरेज फैसिलिटीज, क्रेडिट फैसिलिटीज़ और मार्केटिंग आउटलेट्स भी उनके लिए होने चाहिए। और in the urban areas, unorganized sector comprises mainly workers work in the small scale industries, casual workers in the construction work, trade and transport work, vendors and those who work as street vendors, head load workers, garment makers, rag pickers, etc. Small scale industry also needs government support to procuring raw material and marketing outputs. The casual workers in both rural and urban areas needed to be protected. तो चाहे कैजुअल वर्कर्स अर्बन एरियाज़ में काम कर रहे हों या रूरल एरियाज़ में वर्क कर रहे हों, उनके लिए प्रोटेक्शन की ज़रूरत है। And apart from these, the social category like the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and backward communities are engaged in the unorganized sector, and we also need to protection of these community to find the economic and social development. There should be no discrimination among these sections of the society.